Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how type error, tuple object is not callable. The error message, type error, tuple object is not callable, indicates that you are trying to call a tuple object as if it were a function. This is not allowed in Python, as tuples are immutable objects that cannot be called like functions. Here is an example of how this error can occur. When you run this error, you will get this kind of error. In this example, we are trying to call the my_tuple with the argument 2. However, since my_tuple is not a function, this will result in a TypeError.to fix this error. You should check your code for any instances where you are trying to call a tuple as if it were a function. If you are trying to access a specific element in a tuple, you should use indexing instead of calling the tuple. Let's run this code. Here is the results. This will correctly assign the value 3 to the result variable.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.